first and foremost, I really would like to thank Minister Goyal, dear Piyush, and his team for coming to Brussels and engaging in 3 days of very intensive, but I also have to say very constructive discussions which help us to create further positive momentum in our talks. We share the common objective, and this is to deliver on the mandate given to us by the President von der Leyen and Prime Minister Modi. I very much appreciate that we engage in full transparency and trust, and we've been able, with this spirit, to also touch upon the more sensitive issues, even though, of course, the further work is required. And I'm glad to report that we've been able to progress substantially across a number of areas. On industrial tariffs, we have given concrete guidance to our team. A high-level delegation led by the Director General Sabine Vajan will travel to New Delhi already next week with a view to conclude the technical tariff negotiations. Beyond the area of tariffs, we have made good progress on measures that will further facilitate bilateral trade and investment between India and the European Union, and we agreed with the Minister that we will stay in close touch and most probably will see each other again personally very, very soon. So please, once again, thank you very much to you and your team. Thank you.
Thank you so much.